Terve! Welcome to Kepperis garage.
I got the new coil. The old one is obviously working, but I think that I will change the coil anyway, so let's put that on, and I guess that I can also install the kill switch during that. There's the new coil. Alright, there is the old coil, and it looks that it has some kind of problems. It's basically looking really bad. Not sure what have happened to it. So let's see if the new one is actually going to be good for this. Well, it might be. Is this like kill switch cable here? Well, we can learn about that later. I'm not actually sure about the cable. This has like the grounding over there, so this has to be kill switch. I'm thinking. Give those a little bit of love. And same for the magnet, I guess. Much better. When you're installing the coil in these small engines, you can use the business card as a clearance gauge for the magnet and the new coil. So you put the card on the top of the magnet, then you add the coil there, and next you will redo the bolts. So that's now sitting at the top of the magnet, and there is the business card in between. And I'm just tightening the thing there. And when it's tight, I will remove the card. As you probably could imagine. Like so. Perfect clearance. This is actually my barber cheapskates card. When you do like 8 times in the same barber, you can get minus 25 euros, but I guess that I haven't been using this too much. The latest one is from January 19. Alright, that's there. We will see that it will clear the magnet without any scrapey sounds. It does. Good, goodity good. Then I need to see how I'm gonna run the cable, because it's just a little bit shorter than the earlier one. Let's see. I might need to make new hole for the Nope, it's not enough. I guess I need to do some kind of destruction for the here. So it's, I guess I use this hole here but I will lose the serial number for the engine. That's not good. I'll do a hole here. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do a hole here, and we will use the hole as a hole. Hope that this will not scratch the cable too much. Do we have enough space here? Yes, we do. Let's see if I can get the casing going in correct. Let's not leave that there. It will be broken. Ow. That's not there. Hey. Nearly perfect, nearly perfect. Yeah, I can see that this cable which went into the old coil, this was used with this cable, and this cable goes here and grounds the thing. Still, I'm pretty sure that the coil is grounding itself currently. But, let's see if there is spark without the grounding cable. Is this too big for there? Should it? No, it's perfect. Let's see if there is spark without the cable and make the decision about using it later. How I'm going to be able to test this when it's bouncing. Bouncing around. I can see it, but you can't. Spark. I saw spark there. Yes, there is. There is spark. I will take the casing still off, and I will run one wire from the back of the coil so I can use that as a kill switch. Let's go and add some cable. It is, by the way, really nice weather here now. I guess it's like 6 degrees below zero and sun is shining. It's a good way to spend the day off. Working outside in these perfect conditions. Sponsored by Finnish Nature. That's the best part of Finnish winter, whenever it starts to turn into the spring and sun starts shining and it's not that super cold outside. It's really nice weather to be outside and do, example, some ice fishing. I like to do ice fishing a lot. So I'm using this simple Apico connector. Not sure what do you guys call it over there, but in Finland it's Apico connector. That's sturdy enough for the underhood connections. Then I'm used to like put this shrink wrap around these connectors because this will make it more durable and waterproof in some way. If you're not familiar with this shrink wrap thingy, so it's like plastic wrapping for the cable. Whenever you heat it, it will shrink around the object you're wrapping it with. So it creates this kind of nice wrapping. Yeah, I guess I will use the other hole there. No, I'll come out with same hole. Yep, so now we can put cheese back. Let's see if it makes spark. Spark! It makes spark. We can actually now check if the cable I attach is the kill switch cable. So I'm gonna ground this and we should not have any. So let's have a spark. Yep. Then we should not have a spark. There is spark. Now there's not spark. Now there is. Now there's not. Now there is. And now there's not. So, whenever this is grounded, we don't have spark all the time. So the purpose for the kill switch is that the grounding cable will go through the switch into the ground, and whenever you press the switch, it will connect the ground to the coil and it will stop igniting the engine and the engine will stop. Yeah, there is still one thing that I forgot to do. I will take the tank off. I need to pull the puller start cable here where it's supposed to be. And I will add the plastic tubing between here so that puller cable will run inside here and does not harm the fuel line like it did before. There now, it goes from the puller start up to here. So next I need to tie this back in. I melted the top of the cable so it won't start to ripple out or anything. That's there, so let's see. Yeah, cable is running pretty nice in there. So I guess we are ready to start driving it. Not sure if it's having gas. I'm not ready for any of these kind of problems. I just want to get it running. Just needs to do some sparky things here. Did some kickback there. that I guess another set of upgrades are now pretty much complete. I went to the store and bought one fuel filter for this because I did some test runs and noticed that the carburetor intake valve got stuck because there was some sort of plastic things between the valve and the carburetor seat. I did raise the tank a little bit with those lovely brackets over there and there. It's now a little bit higher and it ensures that the fuel is going into the carburetor. Since the kill switch is not working, let's get rid of it. I have some buttons inside the house I could use as kill switch, so let's see if I can wrap something up while on lunch. Alright, I made this ugly bracket for the kill switch and I guess I can mount it somewhere here. I just replaced the old button because it was broken, it didn't do anything, so we don't need that kind of stuff. Let's add this here. Like so. Alright, let's try the kill switch and let's do the carb too. So. What's this? There is towing capacity here. Let's have a test run and see if this can bring my empty beer bottles out from the sauna building. Let's go. Whoops. Do I have gas on? Nope. Let's add gas on. It makes things easier when you have gasoline. Pretty easily, sure. Unfortunately, I did forget the sledge.
loaded, ready to go. Then we need to go up the hill. Let's see. Let's hope it starts. Too soft snow. To tune the carburetor, but I guess that I did try to tune it when it was on choke. So now it idles also pretty nicely. Should be working too.